Hello and welcome to our new series of building website using PHP, HTML and Bootstrap. Here, if you have a knowledge of HTML, you could make a good design in HTML and you could not get how you can make the website like WordPress and bloggers that would make the posting site. You need not to make HTML form time by time and you could not you need not to give any link anywhere. This is our dynamic website and we are going to make this. If you are interested here, you could join our full course here freely in this YouTube channel. And now first of all we will go and collect all the data we need. And first of all we will use Jam server here. Jam server will act as a live server that you would purchase in any web hosting and download the latest version. Here download this 7.3.0 and this would be 124 MB and there may be new version when you would download it. When you will download, install it and run the Jam server. Jam control panel, you should not do anything there and you would get the Jam server installation. We have to use Apache and MySQL to use here. First of all, we will only use Apache because we need PHP to run. Because PHP is of Apache and we would run in this. Next things you can use Notepad++ as your text editor and it is a simple and easy to do, but I am using Dreamweaver. I will paste the link of Dreamweaver also there and both of these are you could download some Sublime text editor to edit here. Dreamweaver is a paid but I will provide you link of free how could you get free this and Sublime code can be get free. Now all the things would be ready here and let's start by creating a file. First of all, to run the PHP file we have to go through our file here. We have to go to C drive and here is a jam folder. Means where you would install your jam in any C drive, D drive, where you would install your jam server and this folder would get there. And inside jam you would get htdocs and here create a new folder here for our website. I will call this is blog PHP blog and we have created. Now I will create a simple PHP file using Notepad++. Let's make I will make simply PHP script PHP but I will simply echo echo hello. If you could run this, I will save this to same folder where we have created our file. Jam server, htdocs, and PHP. I'll say try. Let's here is the option of running. I will try to launch in Chrome. Yes, this is giving me, sorry for this. I have said as txt file save as. I could make PHP here. PHP here should be PHP, and let's save it. I should launch in Chrome, and it is giving my syntax art. Now I will try to make localhost. It will give your dashboard if you have connected this Apache, and you will get here. Here I will make, there was PHP Blog, and let's see. Here is one file. You would not give, it will not be shown in live blog, but this is our local, so it is giving us try.php. See, this is only echoing what we want. This is hello. Now we need more things to do here. We should download Bootstrap. Bootstrap can be get from by simply doing Google here. You could do Google here and simply search get Bootstrap. You will get this website, and you will be launch here, and here you could download here many option. Here you could use this link, and you could use this link because you could use this in online system. Means when you are online, you are working online, then you could this use this, but we will use our offline because this will provide without internet. Download this. When you will download, you would get a folder. I think I have put here something there. Sorry for this. I have, yes, in this blog I have put this Bootstrap 3. Sorry, Bootstrap 4. This is just extract here, extract file, and you would get a folder, Bootstrap folder, and there are CSS. We don't need anything. We will use only Bootstrap mini because it have all things, but it have remove all the unnecessary things. Let's delete it. Sorry for this. We will use Bootstrap min.css, and let's remove all. And same things happen to JavaScript JS file. We will use this only. Other we will this, I think this bootstrap.java is the complete version, but we need not to use this because this is a large file. It has unnecessary files. We will use only minified version, and yes, we have already downloaded this, and we need another thing that is called jQuery. Sorry for this. We have no file, and go through jQuery and get compressed version 3.3, 3.3.1, and compressed. This is minified version, and this is full version. Here all things we are getting in minified version, so we will download this. Here previously it could download easily, but it is giving us code. Let's select all, Control A, copy this, and paste file to Control Notepad, Control V, and let's find this name here, copy, and save this as same file. Choose here all file, and make this as mini file. I have already done this, and let's import this in our file. Let's create our actual file. I have all things here. I'll copy this inside this, and this is also a JS file, and I will copy this. I will copy this to our folder where we have put everything: jam server, htdocs, and PHP. Let's delete it and paste it. Now I will use Dreamweaver to use. I will create new file and I will use PHP. Save this here. Jam server, htdocs, PHP Blog, and we will start here admin dashboard. We will first of all we will design admin panel and we will make this, but this is only for reviewing and I will not do this. Let's create here h1 equal to hello world. Let's run it here. Let's close it if you have done it already, and close this. I think this is admin. Yes, this is hello. Now we are simply printing in HTML. You also know that, and let's link all the file we need. Let's link the file here. For linking file, we would use link. We will use first of all the file of JavaScript. For this, this is style sheet, and type is equal to text.css, and the link is equal to I will browse CSS, and there is bootstrap.css. Let make script source is equal to src into JavaScript, and browse the bootstrap main.js. When you add this, we could get some difference in this hello. See this, and let's see this. Now the hello world has changed. When we have add this, we can make the changes ourselves using bootstrap. Now there may be some problem with this. I think I have developer tool here. It will give me more console. Yes, it is giving bootstrap undefined something here, because this is not a more important word. We have to add for this another script file. Script source is equal to JS, and we have jQuery script. Now it should remove our error here. Now move to tool and developer tool. It's not giving me a result here. Something is in the line iframe, something there. Let's not bother this, because this is not giving us more importance. In next video we will design our main admin panel. Thank you for watching this video. We will